We spent the day fishing and we were just hanging out on the boat, and then we saw a strange shape hanging from a tree in the distance. So we rushed towards it to see what was going on, and there was this heron just dangling from the tree. It had gotten a fishing line caught in its mouth. You could tell it was in a ton of pain, its entire body weight just hanging by its beak. We figured the bird was probably fishing itself when it began chewing on the discarded fishing tackle, which got caught into the branch. So first we cut the line from the top just so the poor heron wouldn't be hanging by its beak anymore. But the fishing line still had his beak trapped shut. It was wrapped around so tightly, and we were trying our best to cut it as quick as possible because we didn't know how long the bird had been hanging. You can't imagine the agony it must have been in. The sun was just blazing. Initially, he did try to fight me in order to defend himself, but we know that little by little the bird felt that he was being helped, so slowly he began trusting us and stopped putting up a fight. It took me a good amount of time to cut the wire just because I wanted to make sure it was all gone. We just happened to be at the right place at the right time, and I'm glad we were, because if we didn't get there and if we hadn't spotted him, he could have been hanging there for a while. He could have been there for hours already.
Nossa, salvação não. Eu vou ficar
Finally, we got all the wire off. It was just such a beautiful moment seeing this bird, who was in agony, now just free from all this pain. When he stayed put on the seat before flying off, almost like he was thanking us and appreciating his freedom, that was magical.
Tá agradecendo? Tá? Vai.
Aê!
Moço, tô arrepiado.